Fireworks festivals, a symbol of summer in Japan. A sure sign of summer in Japan is fireworks. You can see beautiful fireworks bursting in the night sky at festivals across the country in July and August. The Japanese word for fireworks, hanabi, means fire flowers. Fireworks have a long history in Japan. The first fireworks in the country were gifts from a British diplomat and a Chinese merchant in 1613. Soon, the tradition of watching firework displays caught on among the upper class. The first Japanese fireworks festival that let the general public take part was in 1733. Fireworks were set off near Tokyo's Sumida River. This aimed to comfort the spirits of 1 million people who had died in poverty the year before. These days, fireworks festivals are a casual and fun summer activity. People eat at food stands and play games near the festivals. Because these are crowded, it's best to find a spot to view the fireworks hours in advance.